Hi, I'm Mary Ann Bonetti, and it is early summer, and my hydrangeas are so well budded. They're going to have beautiful flowers. However, here in the Pacific Northwest, it's been a very rainy spring, and if you have had a lot of rain in your area, I want to tell you how to avoid hydrangea leaf blight. And it's as simple as cutting off or removing the leaves that become yellow and a little bit of brown from the blight. So if you just go ahead and look inside the plant, and I can pull off these leaves. They come off quite easily, and you can see where they're turning a little bit brown with the yellow. And if I remove all these, I'm putting them in a bucket that will not go into my compost pile. And then I also get any of the leaves that have already fallen from the hydrangea plant, so that none of the spores or the fungus is going to reinfect it. Hydrangeas are not going to die from leaf blight. I just like to go in and remove any of the little yellow leaves. It makes the plant look better, and it gives me a little bit more assurance that the blight's not going to spread because of our very damp, wet spring. Now, I'm going to do something else with these clippers, and that is I'm going to do some light pruning of my hydrangea branches before they even flower. Now, I'm not going to cut off the buds that have, they're at the ends of the branches. Those do not get pruned. For instance, this one, you can see the flower buds. Of course, I'm not going to prune that. But next to it, this one here, there's no flower buds. And if I can prune that back down to a joint or node, I'm going to get rid of some of this excess foliage. That one's not going to bloom. So that when the ones that do flower are going to have plenty of room to open up and flower. Now I pull apart these leaves. No blooms there. So I'll go ahead and clip that off. This is just a light summer pruning. You don't have to do this, but since these hydrangeas are right here in my front, right by my hydrangea tile that I have in front of my brick wall here, I want them to look spectacular. So I'm just taking a few little snips of the non-blooming branches to kind of shape up the hydrangeas. And now look at all these buds coming. So I think I've pampered my hydrangeas, and I will be rewarded with a beautiful blooming display in just a couple more weeks. This has been Mary Ann Bonetti, Easy Answers for Great Gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on plantersplace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.